Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, I know why they're all out here.
Yeah, somebody took them food earlier and didn't cut it.
You?
No, food was same with food.
Oh, Ainsley. So, friends, ayan, malapit na mag-alas 6. Medyo humahaba-haba na ulit yung araw natin dito, friends, kasi sa March magta-time change na ulit kami. So, pakita ko sa inyo, friends, yung ating mga tanim. Ayan sila, medyo na sila, friends. Lumalaki na sila. So, sabi ko kay Shannon, magdidig kami ng ubi ulit. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig natin. So, magdidig kami ulit ng ubi. Kasi wala na yung una kong nadig. Kaso hindi ko alam kung matatapos to namin ngayon dahil paggabi na rin siya. So, okay lang kasi unti lang din naman yung gagamitin ko. Yan, dito pa rin sa inanuhan natin nung nakaraan. Ayan, yung pala na ginamit ko nung nagdig tayo. Yan, meron pa dito na ilang puno. Tapos, yung doon. Yan. Dito, huwag na muna siguro doon muna tayo mag-uumpisa. Yan, dito tayo. Kasi tutulungan tayo ni Shannon. Ayan o, ang daming, yan. Diyan sa trellis na yan kasi madami akong inano dyan. Tinanim. So, mga ilang puno din. Siguro mga 6-7. Yan, umpisa na natin. So, ayan friends, dito tayo uumpisa kasi may dalawa akong tinanim dito. O, 3 nga siguro to. Dito banda. Ito yung puno. Hindi ko na naman mahanap yung palapala ko na maliit. Yung pang garden. So, ayan. Pero nakikita na natin dito, friends. May ugat. Ayan o. So, dito lang yan. Gagamitan ko ng pala. Dandahanin lang natin kasi baka ano na naman. So, ito. May bato yata. Ayan. Nakikita niya. Ayan, meron na siya. So, ito siya. Ito naman yung isa, friends. Hanapin natin. Hanapin natin. Yeah. No, the small shovel that I use for the garden.
Oh, yeah. I know where there's one at.
You know where is it? Hindi ko nakita kung meron dito kasi wala na, patay na yung ating mga puno. Saan ito meron, sinaksak-saksak ko na. Ayan. Ayun pa, may isang parang tumubo. Ang ano yan, parang yung bunga nila, kasi diba dito din ako nagtanim dati. Nahulog lang yung bunga na yan dyan. Ouch! Napakong pa ko. Oh, mapuputol. I hate it. Dito siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan, sigurado po yan yun. Ayan. Okay, nakailang ano na tayo. Ilang kilo na to sa 2 puno natin. Ito yung mga late na tayo nakatanim last year pala. Pero 6 na buwan na to, friends. Yan, wala nga lang alaga, wala din tong tubig dito. So, yan siya, mamaya pakita natin sa inyo. Pag nalinis natin, dito yata, ayan o. Namumunga siya, tas nahulog yan dito. Nagtubo lang yan. Oh, ayan. Hanggang dito pala yung laman. Oh. Ayan. Tanggalin na. Ito. Ayan. So, hindi ko ito tinanim. Ito lang yung nahulog. Diba, ulit-ulit ako. Ha? Ha? Yeah. It's fine. I thought you know where's the other one that I'm talking about. This one. See, mukhang malaki din siya. Yan. Yan siya. Lumaki pala siya, friends. Oh, I think it's bigger than the other one. Hold on. I'm digging here. So look, this is kind of big.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look, it's big.
Yeah.
Look. See? Wow. Do you think how many pounds is this?
I don't know, but you don't fix this one.
I think there's one more here, honey. I think this area here.
Yeah, well, get to the outside of it.
But I'm not sure if there is.
Oh, break it. Or does it matter if I cut it?
It's better if you don't. I think it was closer to the post. Yeah, you got it. Wow, you're good. Here, see? I don't think we need to dig more because this is already a lot.
About there, anything?
Let me see. Malalaki din sila. There, I'm gonna wash it later. So ito yung sinasabi ko, friends, na yan, nabunga pag nahulog siya, tutubo din siya. Yun yung, no, other side. There. Here, hold on. Over here. Let's look. This one. No, you see this? Here's the vines. Here, that's the vines. There's none? No, there is. Here. It's here. Here. I think we should remove the... Oh, never mind. It's not big. Here. See? It's not that big. It's the... I think there's one more here.
Here?
Maybe. And here. Okay, this is very small too.
Oh,
Oh yeah, here. And there's another one. No. No, there's two. I already got two of them. Here's another vine.
I thought we weren't digging no more.
Since we already started, it's better when you're digging it. It's not too tiring.
That one's there. Just to get that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a little bit bigger. Yeah, here. I'm gonna wash it later. I think, hold on. Here, one more here. That one. We never water this, so I guess it's not that, they don't grow good. And close to the post. No, it's still there. That one. Maybe. Let me see. Honey, look. You just...
I didn't, you did. I was done. You told me to go again.
It's here in the... Oh, man. You bruise it. Here. This one here.
Can you get the other side?
Yeah, maybe because it's in that really, you know. You're way too far. It's here. Never mind, I got it. I got it, huh? See?
Yeah. Where I cut
There.
it? Yeah.
You got it.
Oh, I'm digging under it.
Yeah. There's two. Oh, I break.
Working?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think this is enough, huh? Because we're not gonna use. We can maybe we can do like third harvest. Okay, I think this is for now, friends, kasi madami-dami na. Hindi natin to kayang i-consume. So, ayan na, friends, yung ating ube na na-harvest. Yan. Madami-dami din siya, friends. Tapos, itong isa. Ayan, o. Ito yung malaki na nakuha ko. Yan, nakuha namin ni Shannon. So, ilang puno lang yan siya, friends. Tapos, meron pa ulit tayong pangatlong harvest doon. Kailangan lang natin hanapin. So, I guess that's it for our video today, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mag-ingat po kayo. God bless!